When we're starting a conversation, it is really critical as coaches, we take a minute or two and really prepare. Think about what you're trying to accomplish in the coaching conversation, not in the grand scheme of things. So let me give you an example. Let's say we're coaching someone with a negative attitude. And let's say you're having your first or second coaching session. We have to ask ourselves, what's our objective? Is it to maintain continuity, to get some momentum, to get some buy-in, to build some self-awareness? Or are you making the false assumption, I'm going to correct this attitude all in one sitting? When in fact, got to remember, taking this present situation of someone with a negative attitude, they've been practicing that negative attitude for decades. One or two sessions is not going to be suffice. So we have to ask ourselves, when we're starting a coaching conversation, what's our objective? What are the questions? What are the activities that we can utilize that will facilitate the change or the momentum or the traction that we're seeking in that conversation, not in the grand scheme of things? Let me give you another example. Let's say we have someone who's not proactive, they're not a very good teammate, they just do their job, they don't really help out their teammates. And you're about to have your first or second coaching conversation. If you're going to meet with someone only one or two times, really what you're going to accomplish is you're going to establish awareness. You're going to give perspective. You're not going to have a ton of traction. Now let's take the opposite. If you've been coaching this person and using the proper steps and facilitating activities and practicing or whatever it may call for, but you've been coaching this person 9, 10, 11 different times in scheduled sessions and you're not seeing traction, maybe you're not coaching effectively, or more importantly, maybe they don't want to improve. Remember, coaching's about planting a seed. They'll decide if it grows. So when you're starting your coaching conversation, what's your objective? What questions will allow you to get there? Where are you at in the process? And realistically, what are your expectations? Now below will be a link to a page where you can get a copy of our coaching starter kit that will really help you out.